Hi everyone, I am Meera. Welcome to my channel. So I am the YouTuber of this channel, and really I like to introduce myself to you all people. I genuinely posted videos, my previous videos all about the stuff required in a daily life of a girl, and these about the two kurtas. I can link them in the description box, and the pair of shoes the girl should need, and like home decor items. But now today I want to give direction to my YouTube channel. Like I will totally go to and just introduce you to a habit you should introduce in your life. If you have, maybe you have in your life, and maybe you should introduce in your life. Life is what we are gifted with, and we just have to maintain that life, the very good gift of the God. So we just have to maintain that, and for that maintenance we have to create our lifestyle very good. And so for that lifestyle, I am recommending reading skills. Yeah, really, reading skills are a very good for to add on your lifestyle, to add on a part of your lifestyle. So yeah, today's video all about the reading, and I'm starting this reading section with a book written by the Paulo Coelho, and that book is, the name of that book is The Spy. So first I will let you know that how reading helps us, and how it's good to read a book, or it's good to be a reader. It's not important you can read a newspaper all you can read. After all, they have such politics in that, but still you can read a newspaper, you can read the blogs, you can read articles on the website, they are available. But I prefer to read the books, so I'm going with that. So reading is a very good thing. It's the thing you can explore the world. Really, reading is a thing from sitting to the home, and you can explore the world. You can explore the imagination of the people they have. You can explore the things. If they are novels, if they are true novels, they are actually novel. Then you can explore what are happening in this world. You can get to know very much thing about the life. So today's recommendation of this book is The Spy, the Paulo Coelho. This is a novel, and this novel is about the lady Mata Hari. So I'm not going to spoil the storyline or the theme of this, but I will give some detailed notes about this storybook. So actually I got two storybooks of Paulo Coelho, and not, you cannot say storybooks, you can say novellas. So two novellas by Paulo Coelho. I really like the first one I bought, that's The Alchemist. I will review it about it later, but now I'm review about this, the Paulo Coelho I recently read, and this is a really very good book. The first, when I read it, I really, when I was in the mid section, like on the part 2 of this book, I feel like it's so boring, and it's like how would I complete that book, the book. But yeah, I although completed this book, is all about, the way of writing this book by the author is fabulous. What I really like about this book, and this book contains 3 parts, and the 2 parts are written by the this lady Mata Hari, not actually written by that, but uh, in the form of writing letters about this lady Mata Hari wrote letters to the person. And then the part 3 describes the letter received by the person, and then uh, given back to her, which she did not receive because she died that time, so she could not read those letters, but the letters are still here in this book. So the story revolves around this lady. This lady was the beautiful lady of that time, the beautiful lady of that area, that nation, and other things about the lady, and the lady, and the lady only about the lady. So the her she died, she got encountered, and why she got encountered, that's about her dreams, her desires, her manipulative skills, and everything she did. Her only crime here is dictated that her only crime is to become independent, and independent woman, and want to fulfill her desires without settling the man ego. without being merged into the man ego, or the thing about the world's ego, you can also say. So she left everything behind and just step forward about how she can fulfill her desire. What I actually not comfortable with this stuff, but uh, what I found is what I found good in this book is the writing style. Writing style is very good, the language is very good, the vocabulary used is very awesome. I really, because of course it's Paulo Coelho, so the vocabulary is majorly awesome. But what I most like, I genuinely try to identify the morals from this from the books I read. So the moral I got from this, you will get that in the, if you will read, you will get in that in the last chapter. So I was not going to like disclose what the moral I got from this book. So this is a kind of a stuff I really like. The morale was really like, when I started reading the book, I generally don't think that it's going to be a good book. But when the chapter is going to be finished, when the book's going to be finished, the morale is really nice. I have that mark also to this book. That's the morale is about love, where I never in the starting chapters I cannot recognize about love of the lady, but in the last chapter the love of the lady is recognized, and that is the morale, I can say. But what kind of morale that was, you will have to read that, read the book for that. So this is the today's recommendation about the Paulo Coelho. If you are a beginner, then please don't go for it, because it has a wide variety of new words you will not like comfortable with, or the stuff if you are a person who cannot accept the open-minded and the broad-minded things, then you should not go for this book. I will recommend some other book further for the new beginners and the person who cannot ready to accept the any kind of a feature of that like uncomfortable features of the book. So you cannot go for to that. But if you are a good reader, and you can go and you can accept the truth, and you can accept the reality, and you can without judging, you can judge, I also judge, so without judging that book, or maybe little bit judging, if you go to that book, if you are going to complete that book, I just state one line that if you are going to read this book, then please complete the book. Until and unless you will not complete it, you will not get what the book says, because it's all the good thing about in the part 3. The part 3 has all it. This part 1 and 2 just saying about the lady, and the part 3 is saying about the reality of the lady and the life and the things which had done to the lady. So yeah, if you are going to read this book, you can just read it the whole. Don't do like that, like don't end reading in the middle, because it is a kind of a waste of money. So if you are going to purchase it, just read the whole book. You will like the moral. I like the moral of the given the last chapter. So last 2-3 chapter, I guess you will find that morale, and that's really beautiful. So if you are just go to read this book, check what is there. It's a nice book to explore yourself, and it's a nice book to explore the reading and the subjects of the real life, which we are not comfortable to. Like, I was not comfortable to the life of this lady by knowing the life of this lady, but although it's a good book, I found it's a good book in the end. Of course, I said this in the end. So if you like the video, please thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon, and I will notify you with daily updates. Thank you for watching.